Hello my dear students, 9th class mathematics exercise 2.1. In that main question number 1, which of the following statements are true and which are false? Give reasons for your answer. Okay, here the first question, first Roman 1 is that only one line pass through a single point. Only one line can pass through a single point, so this is the false. Why it is false? Because with the help of the single point we can draw infinite number of lines. Okay, suppose this is the A point. With the help of a single point we can draw the infinite number of lines. So here condition here given, they are only one line. Okay, this is the false. Point clear? Second one, there are infinite number of lines can pass through two distinct points. So infinite number of lines can pass with the help of two distinct points. So this is also false, because with the help of the two distinct points we can draw only one line. Okay, so infinite number of lines here is given is the false. So with the help of a single point we draw infinite number of lines. With the help of the two distinct points we can draw or we can pass through the line, that is only one line. Okay, so this is Roman 2 is also false. Next, Roman 3. A terminated line can be produced indefinitely on both sides. Okay, this is true. This is true. Okay, if there is this is the line, so we already studied the axioms and also postulates. So the condition is that given, we can produce the line on both sides indefinitely. Okay, we can produce the line on both sides, so that's why this given sentence is a true sentence. Okay, point clear? Next, Roman 4. If two circles are equal, then their radii are equal. Okay, this is true. If two circles are equal, suppose the circles are equal is nothing but it is a congruent circles. If the circles are congruent, automatically radius are equal. Okay, radius are equal, so that's why this is also true. Point clear? Next, Roman 5. Roman 5 including figure is given here. So if AB is equal to PQ, okay, if AB is equal to PQ and PQ is equal to XY, AB is equal to PQ and PQ is equal to XY, then automatically we know AB is equal to XY. Why this is true? Okay, this is Roman 5 is also true. Okay, so here according to the axiom number 1, the things which are equal to the same thing are equal to one another. We already studied. So that's why things here AB is one thing equal to PQ, and here PQ is one thing equal to another thing, that's XY, then automatically this AB is equal to XY. Okay, this is also true. Roman 5 is true. So let's go for the question number 2. Okay, here give a definition for each of the following terms. Are there other terms that need to be defined first. It means before going to define these given points, 5 points or 5 words, we have to be check it out whether the remaining are there some undefined terms. Okay, define it first and then go through the 5 remaining sub questions. Okay, so here yes, answer is yes, there are other terms which need to be defined first. They are plane, point and line. Okay, these are the terms we have to be defined first. So plane means a flat surface in which geometric figures can be drawn or known as a plane. Okay, so flat surfaces in which geometric figures can be drawn are known as a plane. A plane surface is a surface which lies evenly with straight lines on itself. Okay, flat surface, it's a plane, is nothing but that is the straight line. Okay, the plane is in the evenly lies with straight line on straight lines. Okay, this is the point. We can just try to understand it one. So plane is nothing but the flat, and the flat surface is lie with the straight line. Point there. Next, second point, that is a point. A point means a dimensionless dot. Okay, it's a dimensional. We know already dimensions: length, breadth, height. So these are the dimensions. So here is a dimensionless dot which is drawn on a plane surface is known as a point. A point is that which has no part. Okay, it is undefined term, no, that's why it does not have any part. A point is that which has no part. Okay, so line, the meaning of line is a collection of points that has only length. So this is the collection of the points. So this is nothing but the line. Okay, the collection of the points that has only length and no breadth is known as a line, and it can be extended on both directions. Okay, this arrow mark shows that extended. So right side and left side, or upper part or lower, that is, we can extend. If the line looks like this, extend this one on both sides. If the line is like this, so extend like both sides like this. Okay, so here last point, a line is breadthless length. Okay, this is a very important line or point. A line is breadthless length. Okay, so line having only length, so their breadth is 0, that's why it is breadthless length. Breadthless length. Point clear? Don't confuse the words. Okay, now we have to go towards our sub questions: Roman 1, Roman 2, Roman 3, Roman 4 and Roman 5. So here the first Roman one is that parallel lines. Parallel lines. Parallel lines are those lines which never intersect each other and are always at a constant distance perpendicular to each other. Parallel lines can be 2 or more lines. Okay, so here suppose this is the L, M are the lines, that's the parallel lines. here if the distance between these two lines is, suppose it's a 5 centimeter, then we extend the lines, then the distance between two, that is called perpendicular distance. Why we are using the word perpendicular distance? Because suppose this is 5 centimeter, suppose we draw like this line, it's 7 centimeter. Okay, so that's why we tell the particular words, that is the perpendicular distance between the two lines. That is okay, this is the point. So if the perpendicular distance between two lines is a constant, okay, is constant, and these two lines never intersect each other, never intersect, it can be remains the distance as same, however and whichever you extend up to the infinite distance, it will never intersect. Okay, so parallel lines means the lines which never intersect each other and are always at a constant distance perpendicular to each other. Okay, so parallel lines can be 2 or more, so more lines are present. Okay, 2 or more. Here the next point, perpendicular lines. So this is called the perpendicular line. Okay, just check it out the sentence. Perpendicular lines are those lines which intersect each other in a plane at right angles. Okay, so this is the lines, these are the lines which are intersect each other in a plane at right angle. So right angle is nothing but the 90 degree. Okay, then the lines are said to be perpendicular lines, and this is the perpendicular. Okay, so perpendicular lines means the lines which having exactly 90 degree in their intersect. Okay, the point here. Next one, Roman 3, line segment. Line segment. So line segment means the part of the line is called a line segment. The part of the line is called the line segment. Okay, suppose this is the line. So if the line having, we cut from that line is AB, then it becomes the part of the line. So this part of the line is nothing but the line segment. Okay, so here AB is the line segment. So a line segment has two endpoints. So we already mentioned is A and B, these are the points. So two endpoints. Radius of the circle. Okay, we know, draw the radius. Okay, so O and E, and this is nothing but radius. Okay, so here a radius of a circle is the line. This is the line from any point on the circumference. So any point on the circumference, of the circle to the center. Okay, any point on the circumference to the center. So this is nothing but the radius. Next, square. We know square, all sides are equal and all angles, interior angles are exactly equal to 90 degree each. Okay, a quadrilateral in which all the four sides are said to be equal and each of its internal angle is right angle is called a square, is called the square. Okay, you already studied in basic all these definitions, and now recall it and be perfect. Okay, thank you.